As a certified arborist who works directly with foundation engineers, I need to share critical information about tree root foundation damage in Houston. Over the past decade, I've assessed over 500 cases of tree-related foundation damage across the Houston metropolitan area. The average repair cost when tree roots compromise foundations is $28,000. Most of these cases could have been prevented with proper tree management. Houston's expansive clay soil creates unique challenges for foundation stability when combined with large trees. Understanding the relationship between tree root systems and foundation integrity is crucial for every homeowner. The science behind tree root foundation damage involves several factors. Soil moisture differential. Tree roots create zones of varying moisture content around foundations. Large trees can absorb up to 150 gallons of water per day from soil, creating significant moisture variations that cause clay soil movement. Root pressure and penetration. Mature tree roots exert tremendous pressure as they grow. Root pressure can exceed 300 pounds per square inch, easily penetrating small foundation cracks and expanding them over time. Seasonal soil movement cycles. Houston's wet and dry seasons create dramatic soil expansion and contraction cycles. Trees amplify these cycles by removing moisture during growth periods and releasing it during dormant periods. Professional assessment considers multiple variables. Tree species evaluation. Different species present varying levels of foundation risk. Oak trees with their extensive lateral root systems pose the highest risk. Pine trees with deeper tap roots present moderate risk. Ornamental trees typically pose minimal risk. Proximity analysis using established guidelines. Trees planted within 1 times their mature height from foundations present elevated risk. For example, a tree with 50-foot mature height should be planted at least 50 feet from foundations. Soil condition assessment. Clay content, drainage patterns, and existing moisture levels all influence root behavior and foundation impact potential. Foundation type and age considerations. Pier and beam foundations show different vulnerability patterns than slab foundations. Older foundations with existing minor settling are more susceptible to root damage. Our professional methodology includes comprehensive site evaluation using industry-standard protocols. We document tree species, age, health, and positioning relative to structures. Soil analysis, including clay content measurement and moisture level assessment. Houston's clay soil varies significantly across neighborhoods. Foundation inspection for early warning signs of root impact. Many foundation issues are detectable years before visible structural damage occurs. Risk stratification and timeline projections. We provide specific timelines for when foundation damage is likely to occur without intervention. Preventive removal recommendations with cost-benefit analysis. The cost of preventive tree removal averages $2,800. The cost of foundation repair after root damage averages $28,000. Insurance considerations are important. Most homeowners' policies exclude foundation damage from tree roots, considering it preventable maintenance. However, emergency tree removal to prevent imminent foundation damage is often covered. We work with foundation engineers and provide documentation that supports insurance claims for preventive tree removal when foundation risk is documented. Our assessment reports meet engineering standards and are accepted by insurance adjusters for coverage decisions. When you call 877-454-7964, you're getting certified arborists with specific training in foundation risk assessment and collaboration with structural engineers. Don't risk your home's structural integrity. Professional assessment provides the information you need to make informed decisions about tree management and foundation protection. 877-454-7964. Professional tree and foundation risk assessment by certified experts.